It's not about traditional media anymore. It's about you. You have the tools and the platform to share your voice with the world. You have the power to reach millions. Your message can go viral, spreading like wildfire across the globe. You have the power to build your own empire. With every post, every video, you are creating your own digital legacy. Social media is the same. It started as a way to stay in touch with friends and family, but it has evolved into so much more. It's not just for sharing selfies and cat videos anymore. It's a powerful tool. A tool that can influence opinions, shape trends, and even drive social change. Think about it. Would you rather be another face in the crowd or the go-to expert in your field? Once you've found your niche, it's time to optimize your profile. Make it professional. Make it eye-catching. Make it clear what you're about. Your profile is your first impression. Make it count. What kind of content should you create? Valuable content, informative content, entertaining content, content that your audience actually wants to see. But it's not enough to just create great content. You need to be consistent, post regularly, engage with your audience. Don't let your profile go silent. Consistency builds trust. It shows your audience that you're serious, and that matters. Social media is constantly changing. New trends are emerging all the time. From viral challenges to trending hashtags, the landscape is always evolving. You need to stay ahead of the curve. You need to be willing to adapt. This means constantly researching and keeping an eye on what's gaining traction.